Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for no-nonsense product insights. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best gas-powered pressure washer for heavy-duty use, the Westinghouse WPX3400e electric pressure washer. Yeah, we know it's electric, but its performance and build quality put it right in the heavyweight category usually reserved for gas-powered beasts. Let's get into it. We start with raw power. The WPX3400e delivers a maximum pressure of 3,400 psi and a water flow rate of up to 2.0 gallons per minute. That means you're looking at serious cleaning capability for even the grimiest jobs. Whether it's mildew-stained patios, caked mud on your car, oil-streaked garage floors, or weather-worn fences. And because it's electric, you're getting all that muscle without the noise, fumes, and maintenance headaches of gas engines. This beast runs on a heavy-duty 120 volts AC brushless motor, which not only boosts durability but also delivers smooth, quiet operation with minimal wear and tear. It's paired with a 3-piston axial cam pump that includes auto-stop functionality, meaning it only runs when the trigger is engaged. Efficient, reliable, and ready to last. One of the standout features here is the 25-foot abrasion-resistant Superflex hose. This hose, combined with a lightweight high-pressure metal spray gun and wand, makes maneuvering around large driveways or patios a breeze. You get 5 quick connect nozzles right out of the box: 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, a soap nozzle, and a turbo nozzle. So whether you need pinpoint blasting or wide area coverage, it's all there. Let's not forget versatility. The WPX3400e includes a built-in half-gallon soap tank. Just fill it, plug in your foam cannon or use the included soap nozzle, and get that thick, satisfying foam spray going. It's great for pre-soaking cars, windows, or siding before rinsing clean. The build is rock solid. It's housed in a tough steel frame with 12-inch high-profile wheels that never go flat. Whether you're pulling it across grass, gravel, or pavement, it rolls with ease. The 35-foot GFCI power cord adds a ton of range, so you're not constantly looking for a new outlet. You'll get all the tools and a quick start guide in the box. Most users will have it up and running in under 10 minutes. Plus, this unit is factory tested for functionality before it even leaves Westinghouse, and it comes back with a 3-year limited warranty on service, labor, and parts. That's real peace of mind. Now, if you're the type that wants even more reach and efficiency, there are compatible accessories like a 15-inch surface cleaner and a 50-foot high-pressure hose, both available from Westinghouse and designed to snap right into place with M22 fittings. It's for homeowners who demand serious power and pro-level features without stepping into the world of gas machines. It's for people who want results fast, with minimal hassle. And it's for those who want to invest once and clean for years. At $399, the WPX3400e is positioned at the high end of electric pressure washers, but make no mistake. This is a heavy-duty performer that competes directly with gas units in both power and reliability. That's it for this episode of Product Critique. If you're ready to upgrade your cleaning game with a pressure washer that punches way above its weight class, the Westinghouse WPX3400e is the one to beat. Hit like if this breakdown helped you out, and subscribe for more in-depth gear reviews. See you in the next one.